Making rum in Britain requires us to think outside the box. I'm going to make you a daiquiri, but I'm going to do my twist on it. A way of not using imported limes, but using malic acid extracted from green apples. So first things first, bit of rum. We're using clear drop rum. We're going to do 50 mils. Bit of simple syrup. Just about 15 mils. And some malic acid. Don't be intimidated. You can buy malic acid online very easily. And it's that green Granny Smith apple flavor that you're probably familiar with. So a little bit of there, just a bar spoon, or a small bar spoon, just a touch more. Just gonna give it a swirl, twizzle. That's just dissolving the malic acid. Gonna add some ice and I'm gonna shake. Quick shake, nice and hard, not too long, you don't want it too watery. Fancy cocktail glass, single strainer, fine strainer, here we go. And that is our take on a daiquiri, using malic acid instead of lime juice. Oh, do you know what? I think it's very clever. There's condensation on the glass, but once that's gone, this is a completely clear drink. There's no cloudiness to it at all. Absolutely delicious. It's bright, it's zingy, it's very easy to make.